May nag-doorbell.
You're not gonna answer?
Secret!
There's someone at the door! Stell! Stell. It could be me at the door. How rude.
3, 2, 1.
How rude. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whoever here, I hope that you are all doing well. I know, I've got a lot of pressing stuff that I should be watching, but for some reason I woke up this morning and I was like, Stell. I don't know what has happened to me overnight. So I've decided I just want to watch Stell TikTok lives today. I am behind on these, can you believe it? This is like one of my most favourite SB19 related things to do, and I am behind. So, first things first, we're going to go right back to the beginning of October. This is October 9th, and Stell, I think at this point, the boys had just come back from Taiwan, and that's everything that I know about this TikTok live. If you would have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. A huge thank you to Estella Presser for uploading and for subbing, and I'm looking forward to this. I think this is the one that he said he was going to come back and do the Powerpuff Girl unboxing along with some other stuff, but I just remember Powerpuff Girls because I really love them and I'm really looking forward to watching that. So please can we watch this together?
Bikini Bottom music.
I wondered where that was going. Why are we going SpongeBob? Why are we listening to SpongeBob's music?
Yan! Yan, para very SpongeBob theme yung open natin. And then, next one, after these, meron din tayong Bazooka SpongeBob. Ayan. Yung parang yung mukha niya,
it's because he actually has SpongeBob items.
Bazooka. Ayan. Then, next, pakita ko sa inyo.
So cute.
Simple Patrick na nakatayo. Patrick. Napakita ko na to, no, yung may Patrick sa loob. Then next one is SpongeBob na bilog. Para siyang si Mrs. Puff.
Oh, that's cute!
Para siyang si Mrs. Puff na bumilog pag kinakabahan, natatakot.
Look at his little face. Look at how happy he is to show us the stuff.
This SpongeBob na medyo nakaside yung pants niya, yung kanyang square pants. Nakaside, so kita yung underwear niya. Ano pong brand ng underwear niya? Redline. Then next, we have this SpongeBob na parang puzzle.
Oh, I'm liking the SpongeBob ones.
Yeah. Ito ay galing sa Nickelodeon mismo. Like, nagpadala sila sa amin ng package with a lot of SpongeBob stuff inside. May mga caps,
oh, that's so cool.
Socks, my stickers, my pillow, my SpongeBob stuffed toy, and of course this Pop Mart X SpongeBob series na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, na binuksan ko na. Next, we have...
I get it now.
Itong Patrick na flat.
I wonder if that's what started it all
Alam mo
off.
yung sa mga ano, pag sa cartoon, yung pag nababagsakan.
Did he mention that before?
It's so cute. Sayang lang wala akong napul na secret. Di sila kompleto. And then, next is we have another Patrick here na parang hugis bahay niya. Siya yung bahay niya. And then, nakatusok dito yung parang arrow dun sa batong bahay niya. Di ba sa batong bahay niya may arrow yun sa taas? So, guys, hindi ko ito binibenta. Hindi ako
The
reseller.
music is just making this.
I will collect this. Kasi ano siya, galing siya mismo sa Nickelodeon. So, parang swerte. So, yan. And last one, actually, sobrang lungkot kasi sira siya. Pagbukas ko ng box, putol yung paa niya. Putol yung paa ni SpongeBob. So, dapat nakatayo siya dito. Sa stand na to.
Oh, no, fix it.
Ba't ganyan? Pero naputol. Pagbukas ko, putol siya. But no worries. Ididikit ko siya ng Mighty Bond. Putol siya. Dapat nakatayo siyang ganyan. But no worry. Ididikit ko siya. So yun, wala akong nakuhang secret, pero okay lang kasi kompleto naman yung 12 and walang parehas. Yan yung maganda. And papakita ko rin yung mga card. So, ito yung card. Ito yung nasa likod. mga card. Kasama siya. Lahat naman nata ng Pop Mart may ganito. Lahat ng... Hello po sa 4.4k na nanonood. I know it's late, but yeah, sorry kung nag-live ako bigla. But this will be quick, don't worry.
As if anybody cares that it's late.
Guys, trivia lang. First cartoon na nagustuhan ko talagang panoorin is SpongeBob SquarePants. Like, childhood ko talaga is si SpongeBob talaga. Bukod kay Finn ng Adventure Time. Kasi tawag dito, nung nag-aaral kasi ako ng elementary, like every morning talaga siya yung napapanood ko, SpongeBob SquarePants. Like sa ano yun, nung una yung Tagalog version pa, and then nung nagkaroon kami ng cable, doon ko siya napapanood sa Nickelodeon. So si SpongeBob talaga yung childhood ko. Then after nun, lumabas yung cartoon na Adventure Time, and yun yung naging second favorite ko, si Finn and Jake. And dalawa sila naging favorite cartoon character ko growing up. Kaya naman ngayon na parang paano ba? Nagkakaroon ako ng chance to heal my inner child. Excuses, hindi, joke lang. So, ngayon na meron akong time to heal my inner child, talagang nakakatuwa lang na I get to buy this kind of things for
I'm sorry, I thought he was just gonna unbox stuff. I didn't think we were gonna get so deep with this. Please don't make me cry, Stel.
Wala siya sa edad. Parang,
of course it's not.
Parte siya ng pagkatao mo, and wala namang masama kung mag-i-enjoy ka sa ganitong bagay. You're also...
Can I just take this opportunity to roll my eyes? Please tell me people have not been saying that he is too old for this, or that it's too childish of him to do this. Please. Please. Don't. If he is happy doing something and it is not causing anybody else any harm, why does it bother you? Oh my gosh.
Tao ka lang and dumaan ka sa pagkabata, and I'm sure we're young at heart. So walang masama kung mag-collect ng mga ganito. As long as
absolutely
you have the budget.
I am so behind this. Do it, Stel.
Hindi mo naman aabusuhin, diba? So yan. Pakita ko ulit. Ito siya. Ito ang SpongeBob X Pop Mart collection from Nickelodeon. Pinakita ko na sa inyo para lang hindi kayo magulat na meron akong ganito. Ayan. So cute, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Patabi ko na siya. So, guys, huwag niyo ako i-judge na nagko-collect ako. Wala lang, nakakatawa lang talaga yung feeling.
Good.
Hindi ako reseller, ha? Baka isipin yung reseller ako. Tapos alam niyo yung iniisip ko, what if kaya magkaroon ng Pop Mart X Brawl Stars? Naku, mamubudol talaga ako kung nagkaroon. So, ang favorite ko ngayon, pag nagkaroon ng Pop, ang mga minamanifest ko na magkaroon ng Pop Mart series ay unang-una Brawl Stars. Pag nagkaroon ng Pop Mart X Brawl Stars, nakabibili talaga ako. Next, pag nagkaroon ng Pop Mart X Emily in Paris, naku, bibili rin ako Pop Mart X Emily in Paris. And ano ba?
I'm sorry, Stel, do you watch Emily in Paris?
Pop Mart X.
Stel, do you watch Emily in Paris? Am I learning this new information about you? I actually need to watch the recent series. It's not really my genre. However, I do really love that kind of style. Before I have watched Sex and the City, Desperate Housewives, that sort of stuff. Ugly Betty, I do really, really love. I actually watch Ugly Betty in many languages, and I do really love that style of show. But my friend recommended Emily in Paris to me, and she was like, please watch it so we can have something fun to talk about over the next couple of months in the lead up to the new series. And I watched it, and it wasn't my most favorite thing, but it's fun. You get sucked into it, and I definitely need to watch the new series. Have you seen it?
House
Is
of
it good?
Dragons. Naku, pag nagkaroon talaga ng Pop Mart na collaboration with House of Dragons, naku, bibili talaga ako, Diyos ko. Ano pa ba? Pag nagkaroon ng Pop Mart X SB19.
That's a good idea. It's gonna happen, isn't it? Come on. It's just such an obvious thing to happen.
Wala lang, joke lang.
That I would buy.
Yun, pagka yun mga nagkaroon ng collaboration with Pop Mart, grabe. nakakaano yun, makikinig talaga ako. Hello po sa 4.8 viewers natin. Kakatuwa lang. So, ayun, pag nagkaroon ng Brawl Stars, X, Pop Mart, Emily in Paris, with Pop Mart, House of Dragon and Pop Mart, tsaka ano nga pala, Adventure Time and Pop Mart. Parang wala pang nakita, Adventure Time and Pop Mart. Pag nagkaroon ng collab yun, ako mapapabili talaga ako. So, di ba, ano pa ba? Napakita ko naman na sa inyo yung Nook ko, yung Nook na Wasteland Park. Yun yung nilive ko last time sa airport. So, hindi ko na mapakita kasi nilive ko naman eh. Pero gusto nyo tignan ulit lahat. Wag na. Tapos nakita ko,
That never mind, it was really perfectly timed with the music.
Meron sa Blue App. Meron pala doon na parang mga mura din. Na pag bumili ka na ng isang set, mas mura. Nakita ko yung ibang series ng Nook. Meron yung Nook the Kid, tsaka yung Nook na, ano ba yun? Nook the Kid, tsaka yung Nook, I forgot. Wait, I'll check my phone. So, dalawa yung nakita kong series na maganda na nilagay ko na sa cart. Inad to cart ko na. Ayun, yung Nook's Little World series. Maganda yung dalawang series na yun. Tapos, ang mura lang pag binili mo ng set. So, hindi ko pa siya in-order kasi nilalagay ko sa cart lang. Bibilihin ko siya pag nagkaroon ako pagka may pumasok sa budget, yun na lang. Pagka may pumasok na pang budget for another set ng
Very sensible.
blind box, tsaka ko siya tawag dito, i-check out. Ayoko muna nung bigla-bigla.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
So, yun lang. And ano ba? Ano ba bang gusto kong Pop Mart collection? Yun, yung SB19 sana.
It would be. I agree.
Joke lang.
I would actually I think I'd have the opportunity to buy it here then, I guess.
Kasi alam niyo ba, umorder na ako sa Blue App ng like yung case. I ordered like Pop Mart case. So I can display all my collections here sa room. So I'm so excited for them to arrive so I can, I can display and I can design and I can rearrange this room for them. Kasi I already have this like the glass case, the big glass case that I had sobrang tagal na. I ordered it sa IKEA, yung parang malaking glass na parang 4 levels siya na
It's gonna look amazing. I bet it already looks
glass.
amazing. It's probably quite full already.
Malagay dun yung mga collection ko with the wood and glass case na binili ko sa Blue App. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo. I'll update you guys once it arrived and ma-arrange ko siya. So, yeah, I'm so excited.
That little
And
gentle
may nabasa
smile that
akong
creeps
comment
in
na they're
on his
asking
face
if
when
I-
he's talking about it.
Ano yun?
It's just so
Ayun,
delicious.
meron na Inno Soul. Gusto ko rin yung Inno Soul. Actually, kanina nag-check ako ng iba pa. Kasi, parang gets ko naman na ang dami rin mga sikat na Pop Mart like characters like yung Skull Panda, yung Space Molly, si Nyota, si Hashipupu, sino pa ba? Si Dimu, yun, sobrang rin sikat niya. Pakadaming sumisikat. Tapos, meron pa yung Chaka, meron din yung mga fairies ba yun? Yung fairies, tapos merong Molinta. Sobrang dami talagang sumisikat. Even yung mga Labubu and Smiskis and Sunny Angels and Mofusan. Sobrang daming sumisikat. But ang hinahanap ko kasi yung parang wala masyadong nagko-collect. Para wala masyadong kapareha. I mean, may kaparehas naman but not sobrang dami. So,
Yeah.
I'm looking for something different na wala masyadong bumibili. So, nakita ko kanina yung Inno Soul ba yun? Inno Soul. Ang ganda rin ng mga designs niya. Parang sobrang... Grabe, noon dami ko kagad nalaman ng mga So,
Very
parang
quickly.
Yun, nung nakita ko yung si Ziga din, wala ba masyado? Si Ziga. Alam ko marami yung bumibili ng si Ziga. Tapos meron pa akong nakita yung parang sa Korea ata, meron silang ibang, may mga ibang nilalabas na characters na dun ko lang nakita. So, let's see. Pero yun nga, nakita ko yung Inosoul. Parang maganda rin siya. Tapos nakikita ko nga yung mga ano, yung mga 1,000% na mga ano, ng mga
Whoa.
Space Molly na mga 1,000%. Pili ko naman hindi ako abot doon, don't worry, hindi ako abot sa ganun. Dito lang tayo sa mga maliliit. Yung kaya ko ma-design lang sa bahay. So, ayun, Inosoul yung ina-eye ko na bago. Pero kasi gusto ko rin i-collect yung Kubo. Gusto ko i-collect yung Kubo kasi nakita ko ang dami rin palang series ni Kubo. Eh nasimulan ko na siya. So dapat maano ko siya, matuloy-tuloy and sunod-sunod. I mean, maano ko siya, magampanan ko yung pag-collect ng ano.
Like complete
Kubo.
it, if possible.
Dami may nakita nga ako, Kubo Walks of Life. Ang ganda rin ng mga styles nila. So yun. Hi guys. Hi po sa mga nanonood at gising pa. So ito na nga. Nagtatanong kayo kung aking na-unbox na ba. Kung meron ba, kung mag-unbox ba ako ngayon?
Yes, please. Oh, a change of music, a change of mood. What are we putting on now?
Gusto niyo ba mag-unbox ako?
Yes. Do I still sound ill? I think I still sound ill. I am still ill. But I thought I didn't sound it anymore. I'm sorry.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
That's such a cute face.
Ba't naging pampatulog? Wait lang so, meron pa akong hindi nabubuksan.
Yes.
Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born!
Yung superpowers.
Bubbles have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil!
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Please, I didn't realize it was going to be so cute. I freaking love the Powerpuff Girls.
So guys, hindi ko pa siya na-unbox, so
Let's do it.
Let's go! Iniisip ko kung i-shoot ko siya ng content, pero parang mas matrabaho pala yun. So magandang i-live ko na lang siya. Let's go! Ay, ang tagal mag-install ang tagal mag-update ng game na gusto kong laruin. Bagal na internet ko. Anyways, I have this Powerpuff Girls Crybaby series from Pop Mart. Ito ata, hindi ito yung keychain na Crybaby yung ano to, yung mga figurines lang din. So, parang so ito yung mga makukuha natin sa loob. Ito, yan, sila.
I honestly just want to get Mojo Jojo.
Si Mojo Jojo, si Professor Utonium, saka si Mayor, Mr. Mayor. Saya lang walang ibang characters like yung teacher. Ang pangalan ng teacher? Velma ba yun? Hindi, yung assistant ni Mayor si Velma. Wala si him. Ano pangalan ng teacher? Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng teacher nila. But yeah, so we have the normal Bubbles, Blossom, Buttercup, Mojojo, Bunny Blossom, Bunny Bubbles, Bunny Blossom, Bunny Buttercup, Crying Professor Utonium, the Mayor, Mr. Mayor, and Sleeping Bubbles, Brushing Teeth, Blossom, and Buttercup with kumot. So yeah, and of course we are expecting to pull the secret. Ang secret kasi si ano eh, si Princess, yung orange na ano, orange hair na nagpanggap na ano, na Powerpuff Girls din, yung mayaman. Anyways, we have this, so let's unbox this. Unbox
Do
it
it.
with me.
I'm so excited.
Ooh. Malakas ba yung music? Or okay lang yan? Okay lang ba yung music? O gusto mo hinaan ko pa?
It's even better now that you're shooting along to it.
Feel mo may secret. Sana nagdidilang anghel ka. Sana may secret talaga. So let's open this
May you have the tongue of an angel.
Baba ko konti ito. So, let's open.
Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime
Crime and the forces of evil.
What do you do with the packaging afterwards? Do you throw it away? Or are you supposed to keep it in case you ever want to sell the collection?
Siyempre, ayusin natin yung ano.
As you can see, I know nothing about this. Don't rip it.
Oh my gosh!
I'm sorry, but his concentrating phase is very hard.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Yun. Hello po sa 5,000 viewers. Samahan niyo po ako mag-unbox.
Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra
Apakahirap naman eh.
Bubbles and Buttercup
You can do it. We have faith in you.
fighting crime and the forces of evil!
Huwag na nga, huwag na gandahan. So ayan na po, nakuha na po natin siya. We're going to unbox all of this tonight.
Yay!
Hahaha! Hello po sa 5.3 viewers. Parang tumaas nung nakita yung Powerpuff Girls. So this is the Pop Mart X Powerpuff Girls Crybaby series. So this is not the Crybaby na keychain na inaasahan nyo. Ito yung mga figurines na for display. So yeah, we're going to open this one and we are hoping to pull a secret one. So let's see if we're going to pull a secret one tonight. Okay, first box.
I just love it when he speaks in English.
Let's choose
He gets super sweet.
one. Okay. 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 Let's open. 3, 2, 1. Aha!
Doesn't look like we're gonna keep the boxes.
Okay. So I don't want to look at the box inside kasi makikita nyo kagad yung card eh. Tapos malalaman nyo kung sino. Okay. First pull natin. Tingnan natin kung sino. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's
Cute!
Bubbles!
Oh, they're actually really
Crying Bubbles.
cute.
Oh, cute.
Like massive heads.
Ang cute. Okay.
So cute.
May one tayo ba siya? Ayan, meron. Ay, ang cute. Meron pa siyang kasamang ano.
Thus, the Powerpuff
Meron pa siyang kasamang ano.
using their ultra superpowers,
Aww.
Bubbles
So, meron siyang pangtayuan.
dedicated their lives to fighting crime
And the forces of evil. Ayan, pwede siyang tumayo. Tapos meron siyang kasama stuffed toy. So, dito ba yun sa ulo?
That's so cute. Oh, don't lose it.
Yeah, first pull natin, Icy Bubbles. Let's go. Okay. On to the next one. And this is her card. Okay. On to the next one. Guys, sorry kung medyo matagal na. Maarte kasi ako eh. Pagkabukas ko, binabalik ko rin sa box.
Yeah, you don't want to lose anything.
Okay, next. Wait lang, basa muna tayo ng mga tweets nyo about me.
Really? What are people saying?
Okay. Okay, next. Hello po sa ating 5.9 viewers going 6,000 viewers. Okay, next. We're going to open this one. Sino kaya to? Wala nyo. Who's inside?
I'd love for it to be Mojo
A
Jojo.
secret? Is it Powerpuff Girl? Is it
Please.
other character? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm very curious as to the price of this.
Yeah.
So what is it called?
Ayun,
Powerpuff Girls were born.
Next. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And what's inside is... Hey! Another
Oh!
bubbles! Haha! Sleeping bubbles. May pillow siya.
They're actually for sure
Cute.
really cute. Out of all the different ones that he's unboxed. I liked a few that he did on his TikToks,
Yan, dalawang bubbles na bubuksan natin ha.
but I really love these. Okay,
Hey! Oops.
how can I find it?
Okay. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay. What if si Mojo Jojo nakuha mo? Okay lang, gusto ko nga lahat eh. Okay. Guess. Who's it gonna be? Who's inside? Who do you think? Okay, let's see. Sabay-sabay natin malaman.
I hope it doesn't get duplicates.
Haha! I hope
Apparently that's not available
this
here.
is something na hindi Powerpuff Girls.
$22.
Sana it's Mojo, it's
Is that for the
Mr.
whole
Mayor,
thing?
or Professor Utonium. Let's see.
It's not too bad. $22.
Ooh! Uy, ang laki ng ano. Okay. Third box. Third pull. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No. Ang laman ay see. Hey!
Yay!
Si Blossom!
Cute!
Si Blossom!
It's so cute.
Cool.
The
Ang
cheek.
laman ng kasama ni Blossom ay, alam ko marami to eh. Ayan, dami niyang laman oh. Merong baso, yung toothbrush, tapos yung patungan niya, yung upuan. Kasi di ba, parang umabot siya sa ano, parang umabot siya sa lababo. Cute naman
It looks
eh.
like he's wearing a Powerpuff Girls t-shirt because the way that that heart is like popped out is actually quite cute.
And then
I think I've got a Powerpuff Girls t-shirt actually. I've got a few things of theirs. I've got a keychain, not Pop Mart stuff, but I think I've just got like a random keychain.
Ayan! Blossom is brushing her teeth.
So cute.
She's brushing her teeth. So cute. And the details, grabe.
Yeah.
Amazing. Excited na ako i-display sila. Okay, next box. Ay, hindi ko napakita yung card nung iba, no? Pero kasi same-same lang yun, no? Hindi ko alam, ba't ko binili to?
Why not?
Hindi naman super fun, pero cute lang kasi. Na-influensyahan kasi sila Miss Rain. Nag-open sila ng Powerpuff Girls na keychain. Tapos sobrang cute. So, bumili na rin ako kasi wala lang. Anyways,
Why not?
next.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to open this one. Tingin nyo, sino nasa laman? Sino nasa loob? Sabay-sabay natin buksan. 3, 2, 1. Sana special. Sana may makuha tayong special, no? Please. I hope it's not too much, but sana may makuha tayong special. Anyway, Let's see. 1, 2, 3. At ang nasa loob ay si... Oh, it's Buttercup!
It's super cute that he's getting the girls first.
Cute! Si Buttercup oh. Yung may blanket. Tapos saktong-sakto yung blanket niya. Igagalan mo. Amazing! Haha!
I really love their faces.
Buhok na magulo.
And their cute little chubby cheeks.
So cute. Buttercup is here to slay. At least, wala pang nagpaparehas. And yung card niya, yung Crybaby X. Hawkmark. Okay. On to the next box. And now, we'll be opening this one. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Hulaan nyo, sino laman? Okay. Iba-iba kayo, iba-iba. Okay, 3, 2, 1. At ang nasa loob ay si...
Is
3, 2, 1. Oh, si Blossom! Ba't ganun?
but what is she doing?
Using their ultra super
Lahat sila may ganun.
Buttercup has dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.
So yan si Blossom, meron siyang stand. And same with Bubbles. Meron din siyang teddy bear. Teddy bunny? Meron siyang toy. Meron siyang bunny na color pink. Blossom. Amazing. Kanina yung nagtututbrush na Blossom, ngayon naman yung normal Blossom.
He's doing really well at the moment not to have had a duplicate.
Guys,
What would you do with it then?
Say hi muna pala ulit kay Piggy Boo. Sino to?
Oh,
Piggy Boo ba to? Piggy Lulu. Piggy Lulu. Bigay ni Mama Mac. Si Piggy Lulu. Isa siyang kitchen.
that's cute.
Si Piggy Lulu.
See, I like stuff like that.
Okay.
With little
Next.
figurines, I would like you'd have to display them. Otherwise, what would be the point?
This one.
It's nice to display them, and then you'd want to grow the collection. But with like keychains, you can just I could have them on like a handbag or something. I like stuff like that. But it's still not happening. I'm not doing it. I will not get sucked into
Kaya
this.
pag secret to, sino hindi natin makukuha? Sad. Sana secret. 1, 2, 3.
Who is it? Who is it?
One, 2, 3.
Quick! Who is it? The suspense.
Hey, it's Buttercup! Mukhang bad
Oh.
trip si Buttercup oh. Mukhang siyang bad trip. Parang inis siya. Ang galing! Meron din siyang teddy bear. Amazing. Ang galing ko magpula. Sunod-sunod Talagang may patril So kung dalawang bubbles, dalawang blossom na yung nakukuha ko. Ay hindi, tatlo pala yun. 3 blossom, 3 bubbles. Meron pa. Yung mga bunny. Oo nga pala, may mga bunny pa. Yeah.
I'm wondering if my little acrylic Stell standee counts as a Stell Pop Mart.
You see that? That's Buttercup's toy. Hey, let's go to the next box. And here's the card. Hindi consistent yung magpapakita ko ng card. Minsan naalala, minsan hindi. Hey, next box. Kung sino unang matumba. Siyempre wala. Anyways, ito na lang. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Secret! 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 Sana naman dito makakuha ko ng secret. Hindi ko pa natatry. Ano kaya yung experience ng makabunod ng secret? 3, 2, 1. Hey! It's Mojo Jojo! It's
Yeah.
Mojo! I'm gonna get you girls!
I love
Tapos
it
meron
so
siyang, hindi ko
much.
nabubuksan, meron siyang stand, tsaka
Bananas.
2 pieces of bananas. Yeah, meron siyang dalawang banana. So this is Mojo Jojo!
I honestly love how chunky and huge their
This is
heads are.
Mojo Jojo! And I'm gonna get you girls. Amazing. I have Mojo. Ang sabi na download ko. Grabe ang naman. Okay, we have last 5 boxes to open. So, ang hindi pa natin nakukuha ay si Mr. Mayor, si Professor Utonia, and then this 3 Bunny. All of this, nakuha na natin. So, pag di natin nakuha yung secret, makukuha natin itong 5. Sana, walang parehas. But,
Yeah.
pag nakakuha tayo ng
Oh
secret,
gosh, I
isa sa
really
kanila
see it, you
yung
know?
Hindi natin makukuha. So sad.
If you don't end up getting the whole set, there's just like a
Let's
piece
move
of
on
you
to the
that's
next
missing,
box.
so you keep buying, and you keep
Sa
buying,
nakakabili,
and you keep buying.
Nabili ko po ito sa Taiwan Airport. Bago po kami umalis ng Taiwan. Habang nag-aantay po ng boarding, binili ko po. Uy, ba't ganun? Bakit parang may kakaibang marka siya?
Could it be a
Secret
secret?
ka ba? Bakit ganun? Ba't parang iba yung box niya? Secret ka ba? Sa ka bang palatandaan na ikaw ay secret?
I don't know if you're going to be able to figure it out. Oh no. Duplicate?
Madami, kinakapa. Oh,
Groping it. Oh.
Uy, may texture. Ang ganda ng texture nito.
Oh, is it a little fluffy?
Tela. It's bunny bubbles. How cute. Amazing.
I kind of want for him to get all the 3 bunnies.
Plastic natin para hindi malagas yung yung buhok-buhok dito sa texture ng tela. Ibabalik natin siya sa plastic. Para hindi siya para ma-store natin ng maayos kasi baka masira yung yung balahibo. So yeah, we have the bunny bubbles. Okay. Next.
Let's get all the bunnies.
Please, 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 please. Secret, secret, secret. May nagto-open.
You're not going to answer?
Secret.
There's someone at the door. Stell. Stell. It could be me at the door. How rude.
3, 2, 1.
How rude.
Oh, Bunny Blossom.
And Buttercup has dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces.
Ganda talaga ng texture. Kung mahawakan nyo lang. So yan. Yan, we have the Bunny Blossom. Tago ulit natin siya sa plastic para hindi masayang yung balahibo. Oh, we have last 3. Last 3. Okay. This one, let's open. Parang ang gaan niya.
Why might that be?
Parang gaan niya to be. Kasi hindi ko yung secret mabigat eh.
Look at him trying to suss it out.
Ako, parang Parang delikado si Eastil ah. Okay. Ibaba ko na to. Wait lang. Place this. Ito guys ha. Ganyan ko lang.
Does he have a robo vac? Sorry, I'm being really nosy. Is that what I see in the back? Because I want to get one of those. I think it would be life-changing.
Okay. Let's open.
Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born, using their
Oh, parang kilala ko na to. Professor Utonium. Oh, di ba? Si Professor Utonium
Oh,
nga.
cool! Oh, that is cool.
Professor Utonium. And meron siyang... Ooh! Meron din siyang stand. And meron siya no Chemical X. Chemical X. So yan. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Tsaka na pagka i-display ko na pag dumating na yung case niya. Si Professor Utonium may nakuha na din. Oo nga, parang kabuhok ko siya nung short hair ako. No. Amazing. Angas. Okay. Last two. Hindi na ako aasa para hindi masakit.
So it won't hurt.
Let's open this. Ganun daw yun eh. Huwag mo na mag-i-expect and para di ka masaktan. And kung mag-i-expect ka man, expect the worst. Anong meron sa secret? Yung secret ay si Princess. Yung yung orange hair. Yung nagpanggap na part siya ng Powerpuff Girls. Oh, it's Mr. Mayor.
Oh.
Let's go, Mr.
Look,
Mayor.
I think he's done really well. He's got like the additional characters. He got 2 lots of like complete sets of the girls. And then like, yeah.
Meron dito, alam ko meron itong ano.
I know he didn't get the secret
Yan o, meron siyang
because he wanted secrets, but
yung pang tawag sa Powerpuff pag merong pag may gulo.
using their ultra
So ikakabit siya, hawak niya. So tatawag siya sa girls. And then may stand din siya. Tsaka ko na lang bubuksan pagka may case na para mapakita ko rin sa inyo. Okay. Babalik muna natin si Mr. Mayor. And last box na po. Tulad nga sabi ko, hindi na ako aasa kasi I feel like this is the Bunny Buttercup na green. Ano siya, mabigat eh.
I love how he's
Okay lang,
progressively
at least na kompleto.
gotten more moody as this has gone on.
Parehas, diba? Last one. Easy one. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, it's Buttercup.
Where's the rest of her body?
At least kompleto. Walang parehas. Thank you, Lord. This is the Bunny Buttercup.
Where is?
Grabe.
Is she? Oh, okay, she's laying on her front. I was like, where's the rest of her body?
Niya. Amazing.
It's cute.
So, babalik natin siya sa plastic para hindi masayang yung mga balahi-balahibo. Paano yun? Natakot ako ba kasi mag-alsa yun. Ayan, babalik na natin si Buttercup inside.
The Powerpuff Girls were born, using their ultra superpowers. Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.
So, ayun lang guys. Hindi ko man na-open ang secret. Wala man tayong na-pull na secret. Okay lang. At least, I got them all.
Yeah.
Walang dumoble, walang parehas.
Yes.
Amazing. Iba talaga yung feeling. And ito yung aking Kubo collection. madadagdagan
Yes, those
sa
ones.
mga
I
susunod
liked
na
those
buwan,
ones.
o mga susunod
The
na
colouring
taon,
on them was really
okay?
nice.
I think it's
So apart from
okay
those,
as long
I like the
as
Powerpuff Girl ones.
nagtatrabaho tayo ng maayos. Nagtatrabaho tayo ng maayos para mabili yung mga gusto natin. Gusto nyo yung ano ko, pakita ko ulit sa inyo to. Yung Nook. Pakita ko ulit. Kasi baka hindi pa nakikita ng iba. Wait lang. So, meron na akong 4. So far, meron na akong 4 collection. Hindi, 5 pala na kino-collect. So, meron SpongeBob, yung Powerpuff Girls, Crybaby, itong Nook Wasteland Park, yung Kubo na Space, tsaka Kubo na Breathing In, 5. Tapos ito pala, Hashipupu in My Dream. Yeah. Grabe, parang reseller ah.
Look at his eyelashes. It's so ridiculous. But every part of this man is so beautiful.
So now, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga na-open ko na sa Nook Wasteland Park. So, para sa mga hindi po nakanood ng live ko last time, ito po yung nilive ko, na in-unbox ko habang nasa airport kami. Okay, I'm going to show this to you one by one. How am I going to? Oh, so hindi talaga siya. It's not for display. I mean the box, it's not for display. So I'm going to show you this new. Hindi siya kita. So, ang ganda kasi nung box niya, tapos nung pagkaka-drawing. So ang ganda-ganda. And yung first pala na nabuksan ko here, I see ito, nabuksan ko ay ang Arrival.
It's like every single time he looks at them again, there's like that joy, that happiness that hits his face.
Tapos may card.
Honestly, I'm so happy for him that he's found this something to do or like, I don't know, commit to. It's so great.
Bakit, di ba? Ang cute ng Nook. Yan. Ito si Arrival. Tapos ang alam ko na mapalitan yung ulo ng iba. Mamaya mapakita ko sa inyo. May ulong natatanggal. Tapos pwede mo ipalit sa iba.
Oh, that's quite cool.
Binabalik ko sila sa plastic habang wala pa yung in-order ko na case. Okay. Next.
Oh yeah.
Meron tayong hunting squad. So, nangingisda siya. Tapos may kasama siyang mga pusa. Hindi ko pa natatanggal yung... Kasi wala
That's
pa nga
cute.
Kasi ito yung sinasabi ko, na natanggal yung ulo. Pwede mo mapalit-palitan. Parang pwede mo to ilagay sa iba, tapos palitan mo siya ng ibang ulo, parang gano'n. Tapos ang pinakagusto ko dito, yung texture ng sa ulo niya. Cute. Ulo yung plastic. Teka lang. Yan. Excited na ako dumating yung mga in-order ko na cases nila so that I can display them inside my room. Tapos yung in-order ko yung cases na meron
gosh, he really went all out with that
Case na
then.
merong light inside. So, maganda siya tignan pag naka-display. And the next one, we have the Vitality. Ito siya. Yun ba yung hair niya? So,
The
ito
hair
yung
is
sabi ko,
cool.
pwede siyang malipat. Ayan o. So, pwede palitan yung nasa ulo niya. Ay, pwede palitan yung ulo kung gusto niyo yun sa damit na to, yung kalbo yung ilagay niyo. Or okay na kayo dito. So, yan, si Vitality. Yan siya.
That's a cute one.
Ganda ng hair na.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So yeah, that's Vitality.
I like the eyes of these ones. They're so pretty.
And actually, nakompleto ko naman lahat, pero nasa secret. Saan? Wala yung secret. Ang cute pa naman ng secret, parang
It looks like they sell them like that. Like they sell you the whole set, but it might not have one of them in it because it's been swapped out for secret. That's kind of what it looks like.
Yung parang camping. Ayan, camping. May kasama rin siyang mga pusa, gano'n.
Obviously, you can go to stores and just like they're open and you can just buy one
Tanggal din yung ulo.
if you don't want to or can't afford to, or like you know stuff like that as well. Yeah.
Kakapi lang siya. Okay. So, walang ano to, walang labasan, walang display yan, habat wala pa yun. Next is last four. Ito yung ano, yung ito si stock update. Good night po sa matutulog na, pahinga kayo mabuti. Ito si stock update. Na,
Oh, yes, I remember that
may TV
one.
siya sa ulo. Tapos yung pinaka-stand niya is parang mga snacks ba to? Nakaupo siya sa mga snack. Parang ganun. Tama ba? Ayan. Nakaupo siya sa mga snack, ganyan. Ganyan pala. Nakaupo siya sa basket na may puro snacks. Tapos ang galing kasi yung TV na ano siya,
Oh,
nabababa.
cool.
Ay, microwave pala to. Yung microwave na bababa. Amazing. I like that. Diba? Ang cute. Sino ba namang hindi mabubudol sa mga...
Yeah, it's very, very true. And from their perspective as well, the makers, like the possibility is just endless. The amount of accessories and the themes and yeah. Wow.
Okay. Yan. Then lastly, don't worry, patulog na rin ako. Ito yung cute, yung crocodile. May crocodile siya. May crocodile. Tapos may hawak siyang halaman na ganyan, nung nakaganyan yung halaman sa kanya. Tapos may yung pusa niya naka-costume ng frog. Kirby. Napaka-cute. Napaka-cute. Yan siya. Naka-costume siya na
Super
crocodile.
cute.
Wait lang. Yan. Naka-costume siya. Excited na ako i-display to awit. I'm so excited.
Yeah, that was going to be quite interesting to display because they're all quite different. Next time I sat up, there's the crocodile one. They're all in like different positions, so they will look like distinctly different when they're displayed.
Excited na ako sa ibang series. Parang mali, teka. Kasi natin, baka may mahirap. Ayan. Dapat ingatan. Okay. Excited ako sa ibang series. So let's go, let's collect all of them. Yeah. And next naman, let's see. Ito si ano, parang tawag dito yung reporter, media, patrol pala. Ganda oh. Ganda ng damit niya. Tapos alam ko may hawak siya ditong ano yun. Ito yung may gulong. Ayan, oo, may gulong. Para siyang nasa waveboard. Tapos nakatayo siya, tapos may gulong. Tapos meron siya hawak na megaphone and isang ibon. I like the detail of this one. Pakaganda. Cosplay ko kaya to si Nook.
I think so.
Last one. May papakita ko from Nook series. From Nook Wasteland series. Ito. Ito yung una akala ko secret eh, kasi naka-open na siya eh. Turns out, umaasa lang ako. Ito yung nasa model, si Hello. Yung nasa box, siya yung nasa box. Si Hello, ayan. Hello! Ayan. Tapos merong halaman na nakatayo with the signage na wild. So, di-design ko siya na ganyan. So, pag nasa ano. Ang cute eh. So excited to display all of them sa room ko. So yun lang. Ayun na yung aking na-collect from Days 52 Toys. Hindi siya Pop Mart eh. Ang pangalan niya ay 52 Toys. So, ayan. Yung mga na-collect ngayon. So, ang hindi nyo pa nakikita, ay si Hashikuko. Hindi ko pa siya
Can we see it?
So ngayon, ayun yung meron ako so far. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Yung Powerpuff Girls Crybaby,
Look at him.
Kubo Space, Hashipupu in My Dream, yung SpongeBob, Pop Mart, and 52 Toys, Nook Wasteland Park. So ayun pa lang meron ako so far. And Piggy Lulu. So yan pa lang meron ako. And for sure mga anak pa yung mga yan. But syempre dapat
I mean, I bet 18 have given him so many as well. It's growing quickly.
Anyways,
But not
gusto ko
stupidly.
sana maglaro ng game, kaya ang tagal ng ina-update ko. So sad. So yun lang naman kung bakit ako nag-live, kasi nag-promise ako sa inyo na i-unbox ko yung Powerpuff Girls. Asan yung yellow basket? Hindi po ako reseller. Meron ba sa inyo mga nagko-collect din? Pinakagusto ko talaga is yung yung Nook the Kid, tsaka yung Nook Wasteland. Ay, yung Nook Little World. Yun yung mga gusto ko. So yun yung excited ako makakita. Tapos kasi nasa sila, nasa cart ko sila, yung dalawang set na yon. So iniisip ko kung dapat bang
I would honestly be like, do it right now. But don't, just do it when you want to do it.
Iniisip ko pa lang. Basta may pumasok na. Tsaka na pag may pumasok na
Everything in moderation.
May naligaw na ganito. Hindi ko alam kung kanino to. Hulaan nyo nga kung kanino to. Hulaan nyo kanino to. Bakit may naligaw dito? Papakita ko na lang yung mga ano. Ito, bigay ito ng fan. Yung nasa
Oh.
isa siyang ballpen na may Doraemon.
Show us more! I want to see more. What'd you do?
Tapos na-realize ko, ito palang binigay sa akin, Mofusan pala to. Itong wallet na to, itong purse na to, Mofusan to, di ba? Yung pusa na may mga strawberry something. Ngayon ko lang siya na-realize na Mofusan siya. This is a purse na Mofusan. Hindi namin ng 18.
They really keep everything and they use it as well.
Next, bigay ng 18.
Oh.
Microphone na may The Voice logo. This is the voice of kids. Pero hindi siya microphone. Isa siyang
Oh.
perfume.
What? Don't spray perfume before we go to bed. Apparently it attracts monsters. That's what my mum said.
Microphone na gold.
That's cool.
Perfume na microphone.
Do you know what I've noticed? That in the Philippines, you can get stuff made and have it like personalized, etc. I'm talking about like what fans exchange prior to concerts and stuff, like merch, fan-made merch. You can't really do that here with such ease.
Isa siyang microphone na perfume. Guys, pansin niyo ba? Umaba na ulit yung buhok ko.
So quick. Don't start this.
Mahaba na yung buhok. Ang bango. Ang bango na ito. And ang dami ko ditong mga Polaroids na na naipon from mga tours and everything.
That's cool.
Familiar ba kayo doon? Magpakita tayo ng mga ilang picture.
See, because he's been doing these unboxings,
Ito ay
it's
ang
just like meant that he wants to share a little bit more with us. It's cute.
Ito ay si Naya Pichi.
Cute.
Ito yung unang lipat ako dito.
Oh.
Yung bagong lipat ako, ayan. Remembrance na wala pang kaayos-ayos, mga ano pa lang, sofa pa lang, ganun. Yan, yun yung unang lipat ko dito.
Cute. Is that with red hair? It really wasn't that long ago then, was it?
Dami na ito. Another Naya Pichi
Oh.
Polaroid. Naya sa Christmas tree. Under the Christmas tree.
They must be super well behaved that they don't destroy the tree. Like, I don't think I can have a tree.
Then lola ko.
Jelly would just be at it. She'd probably eat a part of it, and then I'd have to take her to the emergency vet.
Snow yung road. Yan, picture ko siya sa labas. White yung road kasi it's raining snow. Amazing. And then si mama sa loob ng bahay.
Cutie!
There's a lot of pictures.
Do you hear how even his voice sounds different now that he's looking back at these pictures? Like the sentiments of it.
Eating noodles. Ay, dito noodles. Meal. Parang ano siya, pork siya. Then ako at si Uno. Alam ko Christmas Day to eh. Christmas Day. Tulog na nga siya, inaantok na siya. Me with my pinsans and sa church tayo, sa church. So many pictures. So many random pictures. Gusto niyo to?
Yes, this is so nice. Look at how he glows. Just a little bit.
Paano inaalagaan nyo? Out of topic. Paano mo inaalagaan yung piercings mo, tips? Actually, wala. Nililinis ko lang siya ng Q-tips. Ay, yung mga gilid. So many pictures.
Do you know, I've recently had this thing where as it's got really cold here, I sometimes cannot feel my right ear because there's so much metal in it that when it hits the cold wind, like honestly, it's gonna fall off one
Sa
day.
airport, bago umalis ng Pilipinas.
So that's my little issue that I've been having with my right ear.
So, kid din, lolo't lola ko kumakain sa barko. Nagbarko kasi kami. Yan. Tapos si Uno at si Dos, nagsusnow niyan sa labas. Tapos pinicturean ko sila. Tapos, pinsang kong Japanese. Then, that's me. Outside, snowing.
I'm so glad he got to do that last year.
Anjing na laging gumagala. Ito malabo, pero bigay ito ng isang photographer nung tour namin ni Kuya Eric. Yan, pinicturean niya kami sa stage. Parang ano nga ito, double exposure. Kasi mapapansin niyo may Kuya Eric din sa likod.
Yeah.
Mama Back and Mama Rain. Ito yung tour namin eh. Pagtatag tour. So, dapat ihiwalay ko. And then, that's me eating. Ano kinakain ko dito? Kumakain ako ng crab. I'm eating crab. So, this one. Grabe yung memories. Amazing. Si Justin ang bumili ng Prada. Prada tato eh. Bumili siya ng Prada. First Christmas ni Naya. First Christmas ni Naya sa akin. Doon sa dati ko pang condo. Ito yung first Christmas niya. Grabe. Amazing. Kita si Mama tsaka si Dos.
His whole family is so beautiful.
Ang daming pictures. Ako si Mima James at si RJ. Nag-badminton kami niya. Ito nga si Gimo. Si Gimo, ang laki. Ang laki ni Gimo. Kay Kinaya. Liit niya pa. First Christmas ni Naya sa bahay ko.
This is so sentimental. Oh, I really love his white tree. It makes me want to have a white tree.
Kakatuwa naman. So many memories. Cutesy. Hindi na ano,
Oh,
nag-update yung gusto kong laruin.
well, you just have to stay here with us then. What a shame.
So, I guess naantok na kayo dahil sa ang tagal na rin naman ng live ko. 1 hour, isang oras mahigit ang yung live ko. So, baka inaantok na. May papastel po ba? Huwag na, next time na lang kasi medyo late na. Baka mapuyat kayo. Next time
Yeah,
na
I
lang.
was like watching all of his covers and everything last night. You would have seen I posted on X. And then I saw the ending of that SB19 Voice Live. And he signed off as Papa Stel then. I didn't realise it went all the way back there.
So, yeah, I guess I'll be ending this live in a bit. It's getting late. It's getting late. I'm making my way over to my favorite place. I gotta get my body moving, shake the stress away. Haba na ng buhok ko. Amazing.
Grow it out. Please.
May mga trabaho kayo bukas, no? May mga paso. Next time na tayo magpapastel. Tulog na kayo, guys. Ay, natulog. 4.2 pa yun nanonood. Medyo madami-dami pa. Next time na lang tayo magpapastel pagka may time. Pag may time magla-live ako maaga. Kasi medyo late na rin ako nakapag-live.
Don't yawn because you'll get us started. Please, no. Sleepy Stel.
Aba, yung mga Polaroid na na-screenshot nyo pakalulupit ang bibilis
Never underestimate 18.
Grabe na ako po. Excited na ako dumating yung case.
Don't.
Papakita ko yung Hashipu po sa inyo. I-upload ko yung unboxing ko sa loob ng plane. Sana lang maintindihan nyo at marinig nyo ang pinagsasabi ko.
You can always sub it.
Grabe, ang tagal nung update nung ko. Anyways, I'll be ending my live na, guys, kasi medyo late na and kailangan nyo na matulog. Kailangan kailangan na nating matulog lahat, I mean. So yeah, pahinga na kayo guys. Thank you sa pagsama. Thank you sa pagsama sa unboxing live na to. Sayang, gusto ko sana maglaro pero hindi nag-update yung lalaroin ko. So I guess next time na lang. Sabi ko pa naman kay Justin maglaro kami. Pero mukhang hindi na ako makakalaro. Next time na lang. Tsaka may trabaho pa bukas. So anyways, thank you so much for joining my unboxing. Lang, parang malabo yung ano ko. Thank you so much guys for joining me sa aking unboxing live, and sana nag-enjoy kayo, sana natuwa kayo, at sana hindi ko kayo napuyat. May next time pa naman. So yeah, magpahinga na tayong lahat at kailangan pa nating kumayod para sa mga pangangailangan natin sa buhay. Anyways, thank you and see you again next time, 18, and have a great night. Pray before you sleep. See you again next time. See you soon, very very soon, and pahinga kayo. Good night. Love you.
Oh my gosh, will I ever be over that? I don't think so. I never take any of those kisses for granted.
Bye bye. Thank you.
A wink? We get a wink too. Okay, this was so much fun. Not only did we get the unboxing, but I'm sorry, like, he got more into it and more expressive, and then suddenly he decided to share with us the stuff that he has on his desk. And some of those were fan gifts, but some of those were photos. And I don't know why, like, obviously you've seen that I've been going through those in my life recently, but not for any particular reason. It's not like I was searching for anything, but I felt a lot. And I was able to look back, and I honestly have not looked at my photo albums for so long, or like look back at that. And you forget, like, life moves so quickly that sometimes you forget as to how much you've achieved and the kind of relationships that you've made and how much you've been through and like how many eras you've lived through. It's just such a wonderful thing. If you have not looked through your photo albums recently, then I thoroughly recommend it. Like, you feel really content after looking at them, and it makes you excited, and it makes you like really think about what you want to do in the future, like the kind of things that like really really matter to you. Like, I got myself into a little bit of a rut recently. Like, I found myself buying lots of unnecessary stuff, not like expensive stuff. I wasn't like splashing all that, but I was just like, yeah, this will make me happy, this will make me happy, and I was just buying like little bits. And then like I'd just been reflecting a little bit, and I was like, what are the things that really make me happy? What are the things that I look back on and I feel like really good about? And it was more like experiences. And I am 100% one of those people, like traveling, going somewhere to do an activity, spending time with my friends and family, like actually doing stuff. Those sorts of memories are the best. And yeah, it really made me like reevaluate stuff. And of course, you can buy stuff, you can collect stuff, and it will make you happy. But I thought to myself, oh, I'm gonna like change the way I've been doing things recently. Of course, there are things that I'm going to continue to buy and collect, but yeah, it was a really interesting thing to go through very randomly. It kind of just happened very organically, kind of like a little reminder for myself. It was fun. This was so great. And I loved looking through those little photos as well, and him talking us through some of that stuff. I kind of wish he'd do a little bit of what I've done, like take us through his childhood photo albums or something. I know we've seen a few, but it'd be really nice to have like little story time or something. But I know not everybody's, comfortable with sharing that sort of stuff. Not everybody has the time to do that sort of stuff. And I'm really grateful that he decided to open up a little bit in that moment and share that with us. And I really felt like that connection, like he really wanted for us to know that, to see that, to share that. Beautiful. I am loving Stel is a collector, and I can't wait to eventually see him show us his display cabinet with the lights and everything, and how he wants to display it. Please do talk to me about this live. I can't wait to hear what you have to say. Huge thank you to Estelle Oppressor for uploading and for subbing. And this was so much fun. Super, super relaxing. And I thank him for thinking about putting on that music as well on the background, because it really adds to the whole experience. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe.